Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing this propagation method that I've used for propagating the string of hearts, and it's something that I've seen on the net and I've seen people using this method, so I just wanted to give it a try and see how successful I am. So in this method I've used sphagnum moss and a translucent container. So what I've done in this method is I've taken a cutting with 2 leaves and a node, and this one already has developed some roots. So after you take the cutting, you just have to place it in the sphagnum moss, and the moss should remain moist throughout. And yeah, that's it. The method is very simple, and this container sits in a window which gets bright light. So yeah, that is all about this method. And I've also managed to harvest some seeds some few months back, and that's the seed pod of string of hearts. And I placed 2 of the seeds in this container and it's growing well. It's been about 3 weeks since I placed them in this container, and it's growing tremendously, and I'm super excited to see them grow. And also I've noticed quite a few new growth on the cuttings there. So this was the video about my propagation. I'll keep you all updated on how it grows. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, do subscribe for more such contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.